This literature kit on The Miracle Worker by William Gibson is an ideal play for students with a low reading level. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Gain insights into the difficulties of being blind and/or deaf. Put events in the novel in order as they happened when Annie and Helen were eating dinner. Students attempt to understand the motivations of the characters in the play. Find the synonym of the vocabulary word from the text. Explain the event in Helen's past that made it possible for her to realize what water was. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as researching the real-life location of Ivy Green and planning a field trip to this important location. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify all the problems and their solutions in a chart. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.